you caught me. You know, there's nothing I like better at the end of the day than grabbing a bottle of vodka and doing some cleaning. So today I want to show you how to clean using vodka. And let's face it, if you're cleaning with vodka, do you really care whether it works? First of all, we're going to put some vodka in a dish. And we're going to take off our jewelry, our favorite rings, and drop them in. We're going to flip them around for a couple of seconds, take them out and dry them, put them back on, and they are sparkling clean. But now we're not going to throw out the vodka, we're going to clean our razors. Because you know that's something most people forget to do, is that even if you use it once a week, you should still clean it weekly. So all you're going to do is take that razor, sit it into the vodka that you use to clean your jewelry, let it sit for about 15 minutes, 30 minutes while you're at work, whatever you want to do. And then when you take it out, you don't even have to rinse it. Just shake it out and let it dry. And you know the best part about it? It keeps it from rusting too. So, you know what? Grab a bottle of vodka and have fun. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.